What is a domain name?
A domain name is the address people type into their browser to visit your website, such as example.com. It gives your website a unique identity online. Without a domain name, visitors would need to remember long strings of numbers called IP addresses. Choosing the right domain makes your site easy to find and remember.
Choosing a good domain name.
Pick a name that's short, memorable, and easy to spell. Avoid using hyphens or numbers, which can be confusing. Think about your brand, topic, or business. Most people prefer .com extensions, but alternatives like .net or .org can work if .com isn't available. Take your time brainstorming. You want a name that represents you well.
Check availability of your domain.
Before you can own a domain name, you must make sure it's not already taken. Use a trusted domain registrar like Namecheap, GoDaddy, or Google Domains to search for your chosen name. Most registrars provide instant results. If your first choice is unavailable, they usually suggest similar alternatives you might like.
Registering your domain name.
Once you find an available domain, create an account with your chosen registrar. Follow the on-screen instructions to add the domain to your cart. You'll choose how many years you want to register for and add your contact information. You'll also have the option to add privacy protection to keep your contact details private.
Final steps and tips.
Review your choices and complete payment. After registering, you'll receive a confirmation email and be able to manage your new domain from your registrar's dashboard. Remember to renew your domain before it expires to keep ownership. Now your domain is ready to connect to a website or email. Congratulations on taking your first step online.